Hello, welcome once again. We are looking at basic algebra and we are solving one-step equations. In solving one-step equations, there are two things that I would like us to focus on. Number one is collecting like terms. Like terms. Putting like terms together, numbers that look alike. If they are letters, you put them together. If they are numbers, you put them together. That is what we call like terms. Then, something that is going to help us to always solve algebraic equations is writing the unknowns on the left side and the knowns on the right hand. So, unknowns on lefty side. All the unknowns, if we write them on the left side, it will help us. So let's start with this example. We have x minus 4 equals 7. So we are going to take this 4 to cross the equal signs to go and meet 7 because they are all numbers, whole numbers, so that we leave x this side. Now, when the number given to you on the left side is a minus, when it crosses the equal signs it becomes a plus. When the number given to you on the left side is a plus, when it crosses the equal signs it becomes a negative. It becomes minus. So we need to keep that in mind. When it is multiplication, when it crosses the equal signs it becomes division. When it is division, when it crosses the equal signs it becomes multiplication. So we need to keep this in our mind. So I'm going to give you a next step here, which I want to explain very well so that you can get it. So we add 4 on both sides. We write x minus 4 plus 4 equals 7 plus 4. So we are adding 4 on both sides in order to remove it from this side to cross the equal signs. It's like when you have a debt of 4 coins and then you have 4 coins and you are paying those 4 coins, you remain with a 0. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So that means that this side will remain with only x equals 7 plus 4 on this side, that is 11. So this will be our answer. X is equal to 11. Let's look at our next example here. We have our next example as 15 equals m minus 11. Now in this example, we said we want to collect like terms together, and then our next important thing is to make sure that we have all the unknowns on the left side. So we are going to change this the way it is written, but still writing it the same. It will carry the same meaning. So we'll say m minus 11 equals 15, just to arrange it to favor us as we have like terms, as we have the unknowns on the left side. So again we have negative 11 on this side, and we wanted it to cross to go to the other side to meet the other number, which is 15. So it is going to change the sign. So in other words, sometimes some people just skip this step here and they just write m equals 15 plus 11. But we need to understand how this comes. So we are going to add 11 on both sides. So we write m minus 11 plus 11 equals 15 plus 11. We said when a number crosses the equal signs, it changes the sign. If it has been minus this side, when it crosses, it will be a positive. It's gone through baptism. If you know how baptism is, if you go in the water, you'll have to get wet. You'll have to change the status. So it has changed the status when it crosses the equal sign. So now in this case, we'll have m is equal to 15 plus 11 that is going to be 26. So this is going to be our answer. Now, remember that minus 11 plus 11, that is 0. So we remain with only m. Then we add the 11 on the other side. This is collecting like terms because we are taking numbers which seem alike to the same side. Then let's look at this last example, and then I'll leave you with an activity to work out. So we have g plus 13 is equal to 19. Now this time we have a positive number here, and we said when the number crosses the equal signs, it changes the sign. So it is going to change to negative 13 or minus 13. So we'll write g plus 13 minus 13 is equal to 19 minus 13. This is going to give us that plus 13 minus 13, that is 0. So we'll have g is equal to 6. That will be our answer. So in the comment section, I want you to go and write for me this answer for y plus 18 is equal to 56. Put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe so that you can get more videos from our channel. Thank you.